Hi everyone, I'm Jawahar Aditya. I'm doing secondary aerospace engineering in SNS College of Technology. Now I'm going to talk about BMC, Business Model Canva. The Business Model Canva is a strategic management template used for developing new business models and documenting existing ones. The BMC helps visualize what is important and forces users to address key areas. I did BMC on SpaceX company, and I have mentioned the official link website of SpaceX in this slide. SpaceX, Space Exploration Technology Corp, is an American aerospace manufacturer. It is founded with the goal of reducing air space transportation cost to enable colonization of Mars. In this slide, I have shown the homepage of official SpaceX website. SpaceX is a leading aerospace manufacturer. It was founded in 2002, 6th May, by Elon Musk. It is a space transportation services and communication corporation. It has nearly 10,000 employees and its headquarters is located in Hawthorne, California, in United States. I chose SpaceX because it inclines with one of the industry verticals, one of the 7 industry verticals I have mentioned here. It inclines with aerospace and defense industry vertical, and also its innovation technologies comes under robotics and automation. I have mentioned what are the other industry verticals and innovation technologies in this slide. There are some steps to create a perfect BMC. Then there are 8 steps. The first step is to understand the customers and the value propositions in a transaction, and to identify the mode of connecting their end customers. They have to also understand the strategy for customer relationships. They have to identify what are the key resources for this company and the key activities they need to do to connect their customers. And the sixth one is to identify who are the key partners for this company. And seventh is to what are the components of their cost structures. And the final one, but not the least, they have to identify the sources for their revenue like profit and loss. They have to balance their business according to it. In this slide, I am going to talk about SpaceX BMC, like its key partners, key activities, key resources, value propositions, customer relationships, customer segments, channels, key resources, cost structure, and its revenue streams. The key partners for SpaceX is Google and Fidelity, who funded them $1 billion, and also many billionaires are funding for its research and organization. There are industry communities who also funding for it. Some of the key activities are the SpaceX designs launch missions and manufactures the launch advanced rockets and spacecrafts. The value propositions of SpaceX is to revolutionize space technology and reusable launch systems, with the ultimate goal of enabling people to live on other planets. And it maintains customer relationships like with direct interaction and long-term contracts. The key resources for the key activities of SpaceX is physical assets, human resources, and the expertise of the people. The channels by which SpaceX communicates with people is SpaceX offices and the launch facilities, which are very valuable. The customer segments of SpaceX is NASA, US government, defense, and commercial, and also people with high purchasing power. These people with high purchasing power in the future. The cost structure of the SpaceX is Falcon 9 and Dragon developments, and some launch missions, and also economics of scale. The revenue system by which they maintain their profit is by licensing technologies and commercial crew contracts, and also it also has an idea of lowering the cost for space travel tickets in the future. I thank my mentor and my teachers who supported me to do this video, and I also thank the people who are watching this video.